All right, I am back at Mack Deshield's house for another attempted repair of this wind damaged shingle. You can see there's no damage above these shingles. Although they are in very poor condition, there is no damage. So let's go ahead and attempt this repair and see if we can continue without causing any damage. And to be clear, in this video, I'm going to explain again proper tool use. The roof snake is for putting the nails in. When you take the nails out with the roof snake, this part bends the shingle, and it's also much thicker. So this flat bar is much better. It's used for taking nails out. I will use the flat bar to take the nails out and the roof snake tool to put the nails in to prevent from having to lift them too high. First, let's go ahead and pop these shingles. And it looks like these shingles, most of them are unsealed already. That one just got a lot of matting transfer. That shingle's not gonna stick back down after this repair. Already we're having failure points into the repair, but let's go ahead and continue. Let's get these first lower 4 nails out. And that nail head ripped right through the shingle, causing that nail hole to be unusable. Another failure point. Just 1, 2, let's get 3. The last one is way over here. 4. Let's get the higher nails. Once again, that nail head is ripping through the shingle. That is not going to be reusable. Should be one last. 2. Looks like there's 2 more. Let's go ahead and looks like there's one even higher nail somewhere. There it is. And another one somewhere, right here. All right, so there were 10 nails in that shingle instead of 8. Looks like there's still one holding on. All right, another one as well in the very top of the shingle. There it is. So this shingle has been triple nailed down. This there finally goes. You can see nail holes all ripping out of the shingle. See the matting transfer from where the shingle, the glue ripped. That's going to prevent these top shingles from sticking back down. Let's get rid of that and slide our new shingle in, and also get rid of this nail. These extra higher nails that were holding the shingle down. All right, time to slide the new shingle in. And attempt to put it back with the roof snake. That's the lower four. Let's get the upper four. And this nail hole I have to reuse because it was ripped open. There's now a nail hole in there that was not there pre-existing. Let's see this one, the next one. This nail hole is fine to reuse. Nice and easy, goes back in. And there's just two more. This one I'm not going to reuse. That nail hole will not secure the shingle back down. And then one more. This one I'm not going to reuse that nail hole either. All right. Again, this repair has failed in multiple ways. This shingle is creased. This shingle is creased. This shingle right here is creased. And this one as well. Right here. The nail holes tore open. You can see that right there. That is a torn open nail hole. You cannot reuse that. Let's get this nail properly down. This nail is gonna have to be re-put in as well. But you can see that nail hole is torn open, and that was the new one I had to create in order to properly secure the shingle down. You can see matting transfer on the bottom of this shingle. These shingles are not gonna stick. There's nothing to hold these shingles down. They're not gonna stick down. Right there as well, matting transfer. Matting transfer, creasing shingles, torn nail holes that by code you cannot reuse. This is a failed repair attempt. Attempting to replace the 24. There's probably more. It's been multiple months. We've been trying to get this roof done. There has been storms coming through. There's a leak on the box vent on that side that the inspector put a tarp over. that still has not been replaced, causing interior damage. This roof is not repairable. The entire roof system needs to be replaced. Please review this and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you very much for listening and taking the time to watch this video, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.